Hello everyone, this is Pramita here. So today I wanted to show you how I have journaled in the month of January till date. Usually what I do is I share a prepped journal on my channel, and then I show how I have completed the journal pages in the course of time. But this time around, I was pretty busy during the first half of the year or the month, so I couldn't do a film or I couldn't film the prepped pages. So I decided to show you how I have journaled in these pages. So this is actually uh, the cover is actually from the packaging of Planner Society envelope. So the items used to come in. Now I'm not subscribed to it anymore. So they came in beautifully printed envelopes. So this is one of the envelopes that I have used to cover the notebook. These are all hand stitched notebooks. I prefer to hand stitch them because I found that that way I can customize whichever way I want them to be. This is also from Planner Society notepad. I have chopped this girl up. This was in a corner of a notepad, post-it notepad, and this is a journaling card that was in the kit itself. So, and I've used some washi, that's all, nothing else. So as we open, uh, I generally make a set of pockets inside because I have this habit of stuffing many things inside. So I'll show you what I have inside this pocket. So this is a small tip-in that I have made with watercolors, and I have lettered some words. These are all watercolor pages. I had just some left over after making a few inserts for my friends. So I wanted to use them as tip-ins. So I've just written them down, and maybe I will color them and send them in my happy mail. So this is it. So just this and one small die cut that I have, the little things which I wanted to use in my journal, but I have not had the opportunity to use. This is once again a packaging. Now this was from a tea bag box. You know, the tea bags, they come in small boxes. So once again, I cut them up and made into small tags. Maybe I'll cover them up with acrylic paints or with pattern paper and make tags out of them. And so this is it. I have made a bunch of them. I'll show you like so. Yeah. So these are all a bunch of tags and pieces that I have chopped up from packaging, which I will use in my journal or send them as happy mails in the journal that I send. Yeah, that's it. So these are all the packaging that I have chopped off. Yeah, that's it. These are all very sturdy, you know, the sturdy cardboard sort of thing. You can use them pretty well. So I have kept them aside. Now, as you open the journal, you'll see I have attached a journaling card. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. I think they have this, journaling card sets. So I have used that in the front with a tab. This is from Planner Society, and this is a small die cut, I think, from Heidi Swap. This is once again, my typical way is I watercolor the pages and then go on adding papers, layer them up with ephemera, washi tape in between. So this is my typical set. And okay, so this is, I wanted to show, this is a piece of vellum that I have used distress stains on, and it's come out so nicely. I have used it as a tip-in inside my journal. I'll show you if I reach till there, of course. So this is my second page. I have used a small sticker. This is a washi tape. This is a die-cut washi tape from Chimel, I think. Yeah, this is from Chimel. And this is once again a gold, gold foiled washi. This is a rose gold washi. And these are some Valentine's Day washi I had, and this was a small journaling card from Reset Girl collection. I hope you can see it. Let's do this, girls. Yeah, and on this day I had some green tea. Um, so yeah, I stuck that. And this was a busy day for me. I had some furniture delivered, and I had been working too hard. So that's why I wrote I this is very applicable for that day, because I really needed to have fun, but I was working too hard and it was an extremely busy day. So that's it. So this was a day when I received some happy mail. Usually, I have a certain type of journaling. Like I do try to be adventurous, but I don't know if I am. But I have a different. I have fixed set sort of thing. Like I watercolor the pages, I layer stuff up. I use a lot of packaging, and what I do is I usually use a focus word or something important that had happened throughout the day, if the space permits, like there was a little bit of space, so I wrote I received happy mail from station stickers, and I have attached the card uh, over here as a tip in. Now, this was already a tip in I had. This was from the Bloom collection, She Blooms collection from Illustrated Faith. And I have just attached that to this station stickers card. So, once again, this is a small card from October afternoon. I think it was in a Reset Girl collection. I'm just added that because I like the trees out here. And on this day, a cousin of mine called and she wanted to meet me up. We haven't met for a while, and we sort of reconnected. So that's it. That's what I have written. And the next day, I received two happy mails. Okay. So this was from Dots and Dashes. There's a Etsy shop. And this is once again from Pink Room Co. She has a Etsy shop as well as a Shopify shop. I think she's a Canadian shop, and on this page, I had layered a lot of stuff. Once again, this is a packaging. As you can see, I have just used Dots and Dashes, the sticker that this package was sealed with. I've used it here, and I have used Pink Room Co's. If you can see it, yeah, she had attached her package with this. She had sealed the package, so I just took that off and attached it to her card. Mm, and these are just bits and bobs that I have, mostly washi tapes. I have used it quite generously. And on this day, okay, so on this day I received my Foxy Fix, and I had green tea also. And I was watching a great movie, Cesar Chavez. Um, and yeah, so these flowers or whatever you see, these are not die cuts. These are fussy cut out from 12 by 12 sheet of paper. This is, I think, from an Amy Tangerine collection, older collection. I don't know exactly the name of this, but I have cut these out and used them in my journals. Yeah. So, and the next day, okay, so next day I have used all bits and bobs. This was a piece that I had from Coco Daisy dashboard, which I was not using. This is a small strip of paper that I had. I think this was a packaging. I'm not sure. No, this was a paper. I'm sorry. So this is a frame that I had made from a journaling card. Uh, if any of you want to see how I do it, you can ask me. I will try and do a tutorial on this. How to make frames from any piece of paper. If it is a journaling card, it's easy. Otherwise, it's not difficult stuff. And I've just layered it with some bits and bobs that I had in my stash. Sorry. So, and on this day, I received, this is the next day, 9th, I received a happy mail from Simply Watercolor Co. and this package was presumed lost because it took 2 months to reach me. And Jennifer, the owner of this shop, was she was really surprised when I received this. She said she had no idea that it took so long to reach an international package. So, well, that's India. So, anyways, so once again, these are just, oh god, somebody's trying to send me a message, so please excuse that. Sorry. So this is once again bits and bobs packaging and just washi tapes. Once again, I've added something over here. I have this habit of adding the highlight of the day if the time permits or the space permits. Sorry, extremely sorry. So on this day, it was pretty chilly. This is a small sticker from the Cute Girl collection. Uh, So I've just stuck all random bits and pieces, as you know. I usually do. This is a sort of sequin I think we received in our Planner Society kit. So yeah, that's it. So this is a washi tape, and this is a card that I have just added. This is a washi tape, and I have this habit of adding washi tapes to break up paragraphs and stuff like that. So on this day, on 12th, I received another happy mail. This was for a lucky draw. It had a coupon in it, but of course I didn't win it. I don't have that kind of luck. So yeah, that's it. So these are all, the pages are all prepped with watercolors, as you know, and then I generally prep 75% of the pages, and then after journaling, I go about and add stuff. If I need to add more stuff, then I add a tip in, and that's it. So this is a vellum piece that I had used distress stains, and I have just used stickers and die cuts and a bit and bobs of the washi tapes just to add a little bit of pop over here. I just wanted to do an experiment of sorts, and it came out pretty well, and I'm pretty happy with the result, what it has done. And I think the other part I had shown you previously, I remember, if I remember correctly. So this was the other bit that I have. Maybe I'll use it somewhere else. So yeah, that's it. Bye for now.